Welcome. Today we're gonna talk about animals that start with X. Please subscribe for more amazing videos. X-ray tetra. The X-ray tetra is a small species of schooling fish that is naturally found in the Amazon River's coastal waters in South America. The X-ray tetra fish is also known as the golden Pristella tetra and the water goldfinch due to the faint golden coloration of their translucent skin. They were first described by Ulrey in 1894 and have since become one of the most popular freshwater fish kept in artificial aquariums today. Although the X-ray tetra fish is the only known species in its genus, it is closely related to other small and colorful South American fish, including the nearly 100 other tetra species. The most distinctive feature of the X-ray tetra fish is the translucent layer of skin that covers its small body, allowing the fish's backbone to be clearly seen. The scales of the X-ray tetra are a silvery yellowish color that is very faint, looking almost golden in some lights. The X-ray tetra also has a re-tipped tail and strikingly striped dorsal and anal fins that are yellow, black and white in color. This is a relatively small species of fish that actually has a bony internal structure known as the Weberian apparatus, which is used in picking up sound waves and contributes to their acute sense of hearing. This bony structure is also found in many of their relatives. Females are generally slightly larger and rounder than the more slender males, although the two are very similar in appearance. The X-ray tetra is found in the Amazonian coastal waters of Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela in South America. They differ greatly from other tetra species as they are able to tolerate the harder brackish water closer to the coast, as well as their usual freshwater environments. They inhabit clear water streams and tributaries during the dry season, and with the coming of the rains, the X-ray tetra then move into the flooded marshlands where the water is softer and more acidic. It is during the wet season that the X-ray tetra breed as they have better water conditions and a higher abundance of food. Like many other small, colorful fish, the X-ray tetra is a schooling species of fish inhabiting the region between the bottom and middle of the water as a group. They are incredibly peaceful and are often tolerant of the other species that they share their habitats with. Xeris. Xeris erythropus, which is commonly known as African ground squirrel and is native to Africa. They have coarse and short hair and are known to be social animals. They can survive in captivity for about 11.5 years. The males and females live in their separate groups and come together to mate, after which the babies live with their mothers in the group of females. The Xeris has 4 subspecies: Cape ground squirrel, striped ground squirrel, mountain ground squirrel, and unstriped ground squirrel. These animals are diurnal and are usually known to be herbivores in nature and usually eat nuts, roots, and seeds. However, sometimes they also eat eggs and other small animals. Mature male Xeris are animals that like to form their own groups, which are separate from the females. These groups often consist of about 20 members each. These squirrels are not known to hide food like other squirrels. Instead, they go out hunting for food daily and don't keep steady storage. They don't live in trees, creating more comfortable habitats in burrows in the desert. These squirrels mate throughout the year, rather than during a single season. The males and females have multiple mating partners. The female Xeris live in groups of 1 to 4 with their babies, also known as pups. Commonly known as the Xeris, these animals go by the scientific name of Xeris erythropus and belong to the family Sciuridae and phylum Chordate. They come from the Mammalia animal class. These squirrels are covered in fur from head to toe, which is often the light brownish color of the soil. However, it can also be found in reddish gray or yellowish gray fur. However, their feet have relatively lesser hair than the rest of their bodies. While the pads of their feet have minimum to no hair, the foot itself has some hair. Thank you for checking this video. If you wish to give your opinion, please comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.